New listings jump up, pushing inventory higher for the first time in 3 weeks. Stick around for a couple of minutes to find out what's going on. That's right, it's time for everybody's favorite San Diego County real estate information program, San Diego Market Watch. Thank you for tuning in. And as always, remember, if you have questions about buying or selling real estate anywhere in San Diego County, send us a message or give us a call. We'd love to help. Let's go ahead and jump into the numbers for the past 7 days. Looking at new listings, those did jump up a bit from the week before after sort of plateauing during June, following a decline in new listings in May. And now we have inventory up just over 6,000 units for the first time this year after a 3-week plateau. We are still lower than we were last year in terms of inventory right now. And so I do expect to see actually new listings dropping off as we head into the 4th of July holiday. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. And pending sales have been flat. Pending sales demand for real estate has remained about the same for the past few years. And this week we are right on that 450 line, which has been about the average number of sales each and every week. So demand has not changed. It's the supply that's really driving the price along with interest rates. Looking at the number of price reductions over the last 7 days, that's up just a little bit as a few more sellers are reducing prices to try and get stubborn properties sold. But again, just a tiny increase from last week. Median price was flat from April to May. And if the pattern follows, we'll see a decline in median price over the summer months. However, as I said before, that is really going to depend on what happens with inventory. Demand has remained the same, and unless there's a significant change in demand, we should see a similar pattern depending on the number of new listings inventory on the market. So let's take a look at interest rates this week. 6.47, which is largely unchanged from the past few weeks. So as we've seen over the last couple of years, rates in the mid-sixes seem to keep demand very, very similar. Even when rates are up high, closer to 7, demand is very similar. We did see a bit of a jump back here in February when it looked like the spring market was really going to heat up with lower interest rates, but that quickly dissolved. So right now we have rates in the mid-sixes, which is better than we were last summer. So we will have to keep an eye on things and see how it goes. So that's what's happening in San Diego real estate this week. If you like this content, please give us a like, share, subscribe, and comment. Send us a message or give us a call if you have questions about buying or selling in San Diego County. We will be back with more great real estate information for you very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here.